this is our extrusion to extrude the two filament by one machines. We also use a two-station windering machine to winder the filament by the two spools. That is our 1-to-2 filament machine. So if you want to buy this kind of the machine, you want to reduce the cost and reduce the labor and reduce your all the consumption, welcome to choose this kind of the machine. This is our new type of the 226. If you are interested in it, welcome to let us know. See you next time. Please have a look.